What's up, guys? I'm back again. I just decided that I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you the setup here. I'm just gonna show you how to tie a hook to, and yeah. So I guess we'll get the pole. That's so watch. And outside we go. Ooh, it's pretty cold. It's the middle of winter, so. And there's the pole. And there's a. Oh, that's a big glare. That's bad. And there's Peppa. Ah. So this is our pole. You can tell. That's what it looks like. Now, gonna bring this in. Yeah, but I'm just gonna let it get warm too. Oh. Here we go, guys. Alright, boys. And this, it's all dirty. Nasty. Oh, sorry about that. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, I'm about ready to play the basketball game, but I'm just gonna show you this real fast. That looks nasty. I need to clean that. Alright. So, first, what we do, my setup, is gonna get the. Figure out what happened. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm getting through. Alrighty. So, what we do first is this is the string. Okay. It'll set you up. Alrighty. Hope you guys can see this. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hook it. Oh my gosh. Too much line, I'm telling you. That'd be my dad. And we're gonna grab this, push it under so it's under that. You can tell. And we're gonna need a lot. Alright, now this is the drag that you need to worry about this right now. So what we do, we put it out. This is gonna be a long video. If I freaking pick this up, that'd be very nice. Then what we're gonna do is shove it through this. Oh, that sounds so wrong, but okay. Alright, you want. See, like that. That should be just simple, because I'm just slow. I just can't do any with the crap. my fly fishing rod is just normal, just so you know. If you're wondering about that, it's just a normal, there's no, stretch that out. Now this is one bass string. I don't know how many pounds it is, but it's pretty good. I think it's pretty good. But anyway, make sure you have this. It's pretty good stuff. So I just use a bracket, bobber, and one of those little decent weights, those normal size weights with a hook. That's all I'm using. So, and I don't have enough storage on that thing to probably film this whole thing. But if it does stop, then yeah, yeah. And about the hook, what you just throw through the hole, so it's like this, and you go around 5 times like that, and then at the very end,